Hi, welcome back to another video. For this video, I'm going to be doing an ombre set. Gothic Lunch requested for me to do a baby boomer nail, either using gel polish or regular polish, and so I did that using gel polish. I'll have the links to everything that I used in the description box, and this is basically just a tutorial of me doing one nail. I used a sponge that I got from AliExpress to do it. After applying my 2 coats of new gel polish, I'm wiping down the nails, removing the sticky layer, because using this method, it won't work if the nails still have that sticky layer on it. And once I do this, I'm just going to take my sponge and dip it into the white gel polish, and then just tap it into this little card so that it can be evenly dispersed on the sponge. And then I'm going to apply that to the nail, gradually moving upward. Right here I'm showing the sponge that I got. I think the sponge is so cute, but the end that I'm using, the reason it's so big is because I used it once before and then I cleaned it off with some alcohol so it expanded. But I'm listing in the corner which coat it is each time I do it, and I'm curing between each coat and just building it up so that the color comes through a little bit more. I think I did 6 coats in total, but I'll just let you all watch that and I'll check back in at the end of the video. After I finished this nail, I went ahead and did all of the other nails, and this is the finished product. I feel like they turned out okay, but this method really isn't the best to do a gel polish ombre. My next video is another gel polish ombre video, so stay tuned for that. I used a different method and it turned out so much better. Like, this next nail design I love so much. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more nail videos. Bye!